In this video, we are going to be drawing a common external tangent to two uneven circles of 100 millimeters and 50 millimeters diameter, respectively. Center of circle A will be 200 millimeters away from center of circle B. Alright, so the first thing first we're going to do is draw the two circles using the circle tool, center diameter. 100. Now we're going to draw a line 200 millimeters away from the center of the circle, and this is where we'll be putting our second circle of diameter 50. And put this back on the object line there. Now the second step is to draw a semicircle on lines AB, right? So we need to first label A, and then we have B. So now we want to draw a semicircle on AB. So the first thing for us to do is to bisect line AB. So using the arc tool, start center end, using A as center, we're going to scrap the first arc. Using the arc tool again, using B as center, we're going to scrap the second arc. Now we're going to draw the bisector. Now using this point as center, we're going to scribe using that point as center and B or A as radius. We're going to draw that semicircle. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle where the radius is equal to the difference between the radii of the two uneven circles. Alright, so the radius of the larger circle would be 100 divided by 2, so that is 50, and the radius for the smaller circle would be 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So the difference between 50 and 25 is 25. So now we're going to construct a circle of radius 25 at point A. Now, where this circle cuts our semicircle, we're going to label that C, point C, and we're going to draw a line from A to C, or I should say we're going to draw a line from A passing through C to cut the larger circle. So let's lengthen. At this point, we're going to label this point as P, And this point will be our first point of tangency. Now we're going to draw from B a line that is parallel to AP. So in this case, we could just select and copy using A as the center and paste it as where B will be the center. Now where this line cuts the smaller circle, we're going to label that as point R, and that is our second point of tangency. Now we are going to draw a tangent line from P to R, and we're going to lengthen the sides a bit. So there we have it, our tangent line for two common external uneven circles.